What's up guys, DJ Gabuli Architect here and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is how to create a customized 20 inches by 30 inches title block. Okay. First, ang una natin gawin, type ka lang ng Ctrl P, shortcut for flat, tapos continue to flat single sheet. Okay, enter. Tapos dito guys, sa plot model, printer plotter, i-click mo lang dito, yan, tapos drawing to PDF. Pagkatapos ng drawing to PDF, dito tayo sa properties. Just click this one, and then dito sa graphics, custom properties, then sa baba makikita mo dito yung custom paper size. Just click this one, and dito just add lang, tapos start from the scratch, then next, and then let's say millimeter, let's say inches. Tapos dito width nya, type mo lang yung width 30 inches. Tapos yung height 20. Tapos next ka lang. Yan, so okay na yan. Tapos next. Tapos dito, yan, i-ready mo lang yung paper size name 30 inches by 20 inches. Tapos next ka lang. Tapos finish. Then okay, close natin. So, gawa tayo ng sample. Ito yung title block na ginawa ko kanina. So, ito rin natin na. Just Ctrl P, shortcut for flat, tapos continue, tapos drawing to PDF. Then, let's find our 20 inches by 30 inches customized title block. Let's see. 20 by 30. Dito. Saan ba yun? 20 by 30. Sa taas pala. Ito. 30 by 20. Just click this one. Then window lang tayo. Tapos dito, ganun. Yan. Tapos pito paper, that one. Tapos millimeter. Tingnan natin millimeter. Just preview mo. Continue. Yun. Ito na yung title block, yung kinit natin na paper size. Tapos okay ka lang. Then continue. Let's see, title block. Okay na yan. Ayun, ganoon lang. So ganoon lang guys ang kung paano paggawa ng customized paper size 20 by 30 paper size. So guys, may panibagong natutunan naman kayo. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.